Good morning, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in sunny Caledonia, New York. It is 8 a.m. in the morning on January 28th. It's a Saturday. We have two installs today. This is a leathered antique granite that we are installing in this home. Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Caledonia, New York, finishing up a granite countertop install. This material is a leathered material, which means it has a slight texture to it instead of being the polished material. This is our customer here, Tanya. Tanya, when did you come in to pick this material out?
A week ago. Yeah.
Okay. We're here on Saturday now, so we're all measured, templated, and installed in about a week.
Yes, less than a week actually.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
What do you think of your fit and the seams you have here?
Very good. It looks amazing.
Okay.
I'm really happy with it.
What did you think of the process of picking slabs out at our shop versus trying to work off samples?
I think as a visual person, for me, it was really important to actually see the whole slab and just really see what it's going to look like when it's down on the counter, and you were able to even lay it down for me so I could see it. I had a countertop space. It was great. It really helped a lot.
In your case, we got to use the software so you could see what it looked like ahead of time. What did you think of that process?
That was great. It was amazing matching up the granite and having it look nice for the final project. It was really good.
Fantastic. I'd like to thank you for your business and just ask you if you give us a Google review when we're all said and done here.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks, Andy.